Field Service Consultant exam questions are newly updated, which can help you pass easily. 1. Universal Containers would like to provide field service technicians the ability to capture details and customer approval on completed work so that the details can be compiled and sent to the customer electronically. What should a consultant recommend to meet this requirement? A. Create a process builder to generate a report. B. Create a custom report. C. Use the standard service report. D. Use the standard work order email template. Answer: C. 2. Universal Containers, UC, has enabled Salesforce Field Service and installed the managed package. UC wants to ensure that technicians can update their own appointment status using the Dispatcher Console Gantt chart. Which steps should the consultant take to meet these requirements? A. Create permission sets and assign the Salesforce Field Service scheduling and mobile permission sets to the resource profile. B. Create permission sets and assign the Salesforce Field Service admin permission set to service resources. C. Create permission sets and assign the Salesforce Field Service mobile permission set to service resources. D. Create permission sets and assign the Salesforce Field Service resource permission set and scheduling license to each technician. Answer: A. 3. Each container consists of multiple parts that are tracked by asset records. Universal Containers' customers usually wait until several parts need service before requesting a technician come on site to save money on service charges. How should a consultant configure Salesforce Field Service to track the work performed? A. Create a work type and work order for each asset being serviced. B. Create a work order and work order line item for each asset being serviced. C. Create a work order for all assets being serviced and a work order line item for each product consumed. D. Create a work type to automatically create relevant line items for each asset. Answer: B. 4. An employee at Universal Containers performs the role of a dispatcher and a technician. How should a consultant configure Salesforce Field Service to support this behavior? A. Create one service resource and assign the relevant permission set licenses. B. Create two service resources and assign them to the employee. And C. Create one service resource and assign the technician and dispatcher role. D. Create two skills records and assign them to the service resource record. Answer: A. 5. How should a consultant configure Salesforce Field Service to ensure agents and dispatchers can quickly create work orders with the appropriate materials? A. Create work types with work order line items. B. Create work types with products consumed. C. Create work types and locations. D. Create work types with products required. Answer: D. 6. Universal Containers wants to ensure technicians have the correct equipment before arriving at a job site. Which two considerations should the consultant take into account when configuring Salesforce Field Service? Choose two answers. A. Quantity and unit of measure are required when adding a required product. B. Validation rules and triggers created on the work order and work order line item objects are automatically recreated for work types. C. Required products must be added to both the work order and all work order line items. D. Work types can be configured to include required products on work orders and work order line items. Answer: B, D. 7. Universal Containers has a call center that responds to requests from customers and schedules time for field service engineers, FSEs, to perform work on assets owned by the client. Call center agents are responsible for booking appointments. Which permission set license should be assigned to the call center agents? AFSL Resource License, BFSL Admin License, CFSL Agent License, DFSL Dispatcher License. Answer: C. 8. Which work rule should a Salesforce field service consultant use to assign service resources based on related object records? A. Resource availability, B. Extended match, C. Required resource, D. Match field. Answer: B. 9. Northern Trail Outfitters is adding field service schedule optimization to its field service implementation. Which licensing will be required for the field service schedule optimization user? A. Resource license, B. Salesforce license, C. Dispatcher license, D. Scheduling license. Answer: C. 10. A customer wants to return a defective product instead of scheduling a service appointment. How should this product be tracked in Salesforce Field Service? A. Create a work order and work order line item. B. Create a return order and return order line item. C. Create a product request and product request line item. D. Create a return order and relate it to the product. Answer: B.